Kalim. Nakikipaggarean lamang kay Amparo. Kalim makakawala. The running shot for him. That's good. Amparo on the outside. Bumomba ng tres. Swak na swak. For the RTRMF. Obina nagmamadali. Kalim faking. Going inside. He steps to his left and releases the one-hander by RTRMF, cutting the lead. Pumasok ng midcourt. Tatad. Going inside to Amparo. Na libreng-libre sa ilalim ng basket. Katuktok. Astilla. Nag-cut in si Kalim. Uikot. Nag-fake. Kalim nagpipilit lumusot and Kalim will score. Ang ganda. Gaviola going to his right. Spin move. 3-point attempt. Yes, sir! Binigay kagad ka Refuerzo. Sumasagay siya si Refuerzo. Bounce pass to Kalim. Umikot si Kalim sa kanyang kanan. Turnaround jumper. Ringless. Nice move from Kalim. Makukuha ni Senya. Ibibigay kay Amparo. And Amparo with a bank shot. Kumukuha ng tiyempo, lamang kay Labadan. Humadyaw, matatapalan ni Abagaw. Ibinigay kay Tantad. Tantad to Nablea. Nablea against Bobares. Behind the back pass to Labadan. For that easy stretch layup. Aatake naman ngayon, Bobares, RTRMF to Kalim. Kalim will try. He will be fouled by Labadan. And one play for Nikos Kalim. Ilalabas dito kay Kalim, makasinta sa tres. Hindi binitawan. Ipapasa sa ilalim kay Humadyaw. Bobares nag-fake. Bobares relocating and finding his reins. Senya. Ginugulo ni Cabiao. Amparo nakawala. Bank shot. It's good. Makukuha nila ba na ng bola? Matatapikan. Refuerzo to Kalim. Kalim nag-iisa. Easy pocket. Balik dito kay Gaviola. Balik kay Amparo. He will try from deep and he will make it. Kalim. Kalim will fake. Kalim with a one-handed shot. Pinag-aagawan pa rin. Makukuha ni Senya. Amparo for a home run. And ending their elimination campaign with a slate of 4-0.